Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you fix a PlayStation 5 button that isn't working. We'll start with some quick and easy checks. First, ensure your controller is fully charged or securely connected with a USB cable. Sometimes, a simple software glitch can cause issues, so try completely restarting your PlayStation 5 console. Power it down, wait about 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. This often resolves minor temporary problems and gets your buttons responding again. If a restart doesn't work, the problem might be physical. Dust, dirt, or sticky residue can get under the buttons. Grab a cotton swab and some isopropyl alcohol. A small amount is all you need. Gently clean around the edges of the problematic button. After cleaning, press the button repeatedly, about 10 to 15 times, to help dislodge any stubborn debris. Remember to be gentle. Avoid pushing too hard or letting excess liquid seep into the controller's internal components. Next, let's try repairing and resetting your controller. First, disconnect the controller from your PlayStation 5, then go through the process of pairing it again as if it were a new device. If that doesn't resolve it, locate the tiny reset button on the back of your controller, usually near the L2 shoulder button. Use a thin object, like a straightened paperclip, to press and hold this button for about 5 seconds. This performs a hard reset, often fixing unresponsive buttons. If your button is still not working after these steps, there are a couple more things to consider. Ensure your PlayStation 5 system software is completely up to date, as updates can sometimes fix hardware communication issues. If possible, test your controller on a different PlayStation 5 console to determine if the problem lies with the controller itself or your console. If all else fails, it's best to contact PlayStation support for professional assistance or to explore repair options for your controller.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.